So put in your radius. Then next thing they say D is the midpoint of chord AC. Chord is this line. It is 30 cm and D is the midpoint. So indirectly they are telling you that this is 15. This is 15 as well. Okay, run. This one. Okay, so remember if you have an isosceles triangle and you pass a line from the center to the chord, it is always 90 degrees. So this is something you need to know. If not, you don't have the right angle triangle. Okay, my purpose is to find the area of the entire segment. So I want you to see these two pieces. I need to find the area of this triangle, the blue one, and I also need to find the area of the major sector, this piece. So the blue and the red one makes your major segment. This one you need to know because some of you seem not to be able to see where's the segment. Okay? But some of you creatively did the other way. You went to find the minor segment, which is what you are familiar with, the green one. And then after that, you use the whole circle, you cancel that green part away. Also correct, it's perfectly fine. So you just need to know what you are doing. So number one thing you need to do is to find this angle. So you need to have this angle in order to be able to find anything. So what you can do first thing is some of you use cosine rule, which is very neat also. So this is 18, this is 18, this is 30. So some of you use cosine rule to find this angle AOC. So the moment you find AOC, you get 2 marks already. So AOC, how to find? If you still remember, it is this square equals to the sum of the other 2 squares minus the product of these 2 sides, followed by cosine of the angle you want to find. Then you manipulate. Remember, shift the cosine over, shift this whole thing over. Yeah. Sine rule also can. Okay, but wait, one by one. So AOC, then you get 18 square plus 18 square, you subtract the 30 square. Then remember, you divide this whole thing over. So how to find the angle? You just cosine inverse the whole thing. Okay, you cosine inverse this whole thing. And if I'm not wrong, most of you get 112 point something. 112 point what? 8853. 5253. Okay, doesn't matter. Anywhere close to that, you will be awarded the marks. Because some of you found 1 first, then you times 2. Okay, there's another group of you who zoom into the right angle triangle you see here. Right? And then you use sine rule. So sine 90 degree over the 18. And then you do sine of the angle COD over the value is, I don't know, correct or not? Oh, correct. Initially it was, I thought it's wrong. Okay, over 15. So in order to find that, you multiply the 15 over, and then you do a sine inverse. So this is another way. Another way that some of you do. But you find this one angle first, then you times 2. So these are 2 different methods, but they are equally good. So alternative method. So the moment you find this, that's 2 marks already because this whole effort of finding the angle is worth 2 marks. Then next one is you need to start finding the area you want. So there's 2 camps. One of you go and find the minor first, then you circle minus. I'm going to show both so that you all have more methods to use next time. So first thing first, I want to find minor segment. So what you do is area of sector minus area of triangle. So this is one group of you, y'all did this. Y'all go and find this piece, this whole thing, and then you take away the triangle. So what you're finding is this green part. Okay, so this is one way. I want to be as detailed as I can so that as we do revision, y'all will get better and better in this. Okay, so I'm finding the green one now. So how to find this angle? I've just found it to be 112.8852. So in order to do that, I will use the formula to help me. Theta over 360 times pi r squared. So this is the formula that we remember. Then area of triangle is half AB sine C. So half 18 sine of the angle 112.8852 or 3. Okay, so when you do this, you get the area of the minor segment. Which those of you who found this, what do you get for the minor segment? Who found the minor segment? What's the area? Some of you did. Nura, you have, huh? Do you have the area of the minor segment? What is it? 169.926. Why, Latika? Okay, then once you find the green zone, remember your purpose is to find the blue and the red, right? So to find area of the major segment, you need to use the full circle, take away that tiny portion there. Okay, so it is pi r squared, take away your 169.926. Okay, if I'm not wrong, you will end up with 8 something. 89889 something, right? What's your answer? 848, huh? 847 point something. So 848. Okay, if it's 3SF, if you have more than 3SF, 847 point something, I will also mark correct. Because you are more accurate than my answer. Okay, so this is one way. Another group of you did the area of triangle. Latika and Sailesh. Okay, so you need to add the major piece, which is the red one, to the triangle. So the major piece, remember, you cannot use the angle already. You must use this angle. So you got to use 360, take away the 112.8852 over 360 times pi r squared. So that's the difference. A lot of you forgot about this angle. You got to find the reflex angle. Okay? And then you add to the triangle. So this is method 2. You will also arrive at the same answer. Okay, so I'm showing you both methods so that actually one question you can use many ways to find. So this is method 1. This is method 2. Okay, both methods are equally good. Yes. To which one? This one. Why the answer different? Oh, because your mode is different. Must be degree mode. Okay, if your answer is different, maybe your calculator is in radian mode, so be careful, you must check. On top must be D, cannot be R.
For you, this one.
But I love SP.
Are you not from SP?
No, I'm from
JC. It's for you.
Why are you publicizing for them?
SP socks.
Okay? Hey, don't say anything bad about any school. Every school is a good school. Latika, sit down. Okay, be serious. You know, last time we have a teacher called Tabitha. Yeah. She's a real estate agent now that's earning a lot.
Never could real estate.
No. Why everybody ask me why I show the sec 3? I never show them Zootopia. Just now my sec 2 asked me. Okay. So the moment you see the parameter is arc AB plus arc CD plus the two trees, you can start solving it. Because this is 30.6 minus the 6, so 24.6 is equal to 15 theta. So 1 theta would be 24.6 divided by 15. What do you get? 4.6. 1 or 1.64. 1.64 radians. 3SF. So right here. That's all. Okay, last one. I want unshaded. So what you can do is actually you can find the shaded one first. So first thing first, this is the piece. I want this slice. So what I can do is I can use the big sector, take away the small one. Then I can find this piece. Okay, I can find the... You're like National Geographic rats, no? Cannot stop.
I stayed there. I think stayed there annoying. I myself fell.
So this is the shaded region. So to find the shaded one, I know this is 9. The small one is 6. I know this one is 1.64. This is 1.64. Because that day I was watching National Geographic. Then I saw how all the rats like run from one corner. That was... Then what will make me? What? No, stay there. No, I need to see you.
I actually focus.
Yeah, I need focus. Can. We continue. Okay, so remember, sector area formula is r square theta over 2. Okay, so we will use the same thing, r square theta over 2, then r square theta over 2. So this will help me find the blue piece, but that is the shaded area. Question wants me to find the unshaded one. So there's one added layer. To find the unshaded, I need to use the full circle. Take away that blue slice. So this is what you all need to visualize. Okay? So the whole circle, the radius is 9. So you can do a pi r square. And then you take away the area from here. Okay? So those of you who got it right, can you tell me what is the shaded area that you calculated? What is the shaded area? You got it right?
So we just press calculator to make it.
85.5%.
No, I want the shaded area that you found.
That is
80 what? 47.
Put a minus.
Already subtract. So you already calculated, right?
Yeah.
Then you minus. Oh, yours is 36.9. Only 36.9. 36.9 cm square. And then you minus off here, you will get 217.57 cm square. So this is the unshaded area. How to find percentage? You use this one unshaded over pi r square times 100%. So it will arrive you at 85.8%. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. 3SF. Okay. So when you see that the weightage is higher, there's a lot more steps. But it is just 3 big steps here. Shaded, the unshaded one, and then the percentage. Yes. You calculate this one? I'm finding the shaded area, the big sector, this big piece, minus the small one. I'm finding this blue one, the shaded one. Yeah, so this is the big sector minus the small sector. Okay, so you all need to know is this 3 formula must be either one. Make sure you apply the correct one. I will continue to give you all quiz every week. The quiz will continue to accumulate chapter 9 and chapter 10.
Yeah.
Until you all reach WA. Your WA1 is week 9. Huh? Yeah.
Area finally break.
It should be 499. So 85.5 lah, is it?
I got correct. Then the rest all I got wrong. Area 5 minute break. We did 2 questions already. Then next one is the new topic. We do.
What do you do?
I listen to class.
2 minutes, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Purposely one. F is not the center of the circle. They never tell you it is the center, it is not. So you cannot assume that. The only thing I know is that AC is the diameter. But they never say that F is the middle of the circle. So you cannot assume that. And then this is your tangent line. So what you know is this is 90 degree. So you can write angle CAT is 90 because tangent perpendicular to radius. Must you write the reason in this question? Actually no need because question never asked for it. But it's a good thing to keep practicing it so when they ask for it, you know. Okay, that's one. Next one, ABF is this angle here. So ABF is 90, take away the 36. So you get 54. So this is the first answer. Okay, so this part here is 54. Okay, next one, I want AED. Yes.
That's not ABF.
AB. Oh, wrong one, huh? Okay, not done yet, sorry. So after you find the 54, you know that this is 71. So BA, so I shouldn't write this, sorry. This is BAF. Okay, then I also know that BFA is 71 because of vertically opposite angles. And then I can find ABF now by using sum of angles in a triangle. 55. Okay, so this is sum of angles in a triangle. So 55. Okay, now you know this is 55 already. You can start doing the next part. I want AED. So if you look carefully, there is a quadrilateral here touching all 4 points of the circumference. So this angle here has a relationship with this angle here. The opposite one always add up to 180. So AED is 180 minus the 55. So you get 125 angles in opposite segment. So the answer is 125. Is it you write 115 or 125? Okay, my bad, correct it. +1. I got red pen here.
I actually don't know.
Why I'm not doing wrong now? After that, me. Yeah. Okay, next one.
Yeah.
Mike.
This topic is most of the topic is not expert on chapter 9, right?
9, 10, 1.
Like most marks must.
No. Equal. One third, like 10, 10, 10. 3, 10. Can So you all don't focus on one topic only. Everything will be equally tested. So this is 1, 2, 5. Next one, CBF, which is here. So how to find the angle there? One thing is, if you have diameter, you will have angle in a semicircle. So actually, CBA is 90 degree. CBA is 90 degree because of angle in a semicircle. So when they give you diameter, you know there must be angle in semicircle somewhere. So CBF is just 90, take away the 55, which is 35. So this is the answer, 35. Okay, last one is ADF. They want you to add in one line. This one. So straight away, you should suspect that must have butterfly somewhere. That you can use. So since this is 35, this one you can find to be 109 angles on a straight line. So we can find that first. CFB is 180 minus 71, which is 109 angles on a straight line. So once you know that, you can find this. Yeah. You can add lines to the diagram as long as it helps you solve it. So next one is BCF, which is equal to your BDA. So you use 180, take away the 109, take away the 35. This is angles in the same segment, the butterfly. So all this must be at the back of your mind. If you remember how to use it, then this chapter is not a challenge. Okay, 36 for the last one. So these are the few answers. Your circle property, many of you leave it quite blank, or you anyhow. Everything also angle at center, twice angle at circumference. Everything. Yes.
BS should be taller. Oh.
Okay, last one. one, last one. Done or not? Done, ah? Okay, last example. I have TR and TS being tangent. So when you have tangent perpendicular to radius. This is important. So this is tangent line. This is radius line. So straight away you have a 90 degree. Okay, this one you can write it somewhere. OAR is 90 because of tangent perpendicular to radius. Okay, now they want me to find ABC. Then this is the one, the rocket. Angle at center is twice the angle at circumference. So to find ABC is just 130 divided by 2, which is 65. So this is angle at center equal angle at circumference. Equal to angle at circumference. So this is the one that you can use because you got center. Okay? Next one is ADC. The one opposite. So again, can you see your quadrilateral? All these are repeated. We can only test you all these few things. As long as you can see it, you get the marks. Quadrilateral, the opposite angle add up to 180. So the blue angle and this one, they add up to 180 degrees. So you just have to subtract it. So 115. Angles in opposite segment. Okay, so this one is 115. Okay, next one, BAO, the PAO, right here. So I want to find this angle. How can I find it? Is there a way that is faster? 180 minus 65. Why? Yeah, cannot. I have isosceles. Does it help? Oh, okay. What you can do is
360 minus 90 minus 115
okay. Because you have a quadrilateral, 4 angles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. They should add up to 360. Whether your quadrilateral is like convex or concave, it doesn't matter. The 4 angles should add up to 360. The 4 angles should add up to 360. So this one you can use. So you can 360 minus the 65 minus the 230 minus the 38. Okay? So 30. 65 minus? Also can. Ufa found an easier way out. If you draw a line here, can you see you have isosceles triangle? So this part here become 38. So if you find this, you can find this. Can you see that? So if you use 65 minus the 38, you will get 27. So this 27 being isosceles with this one, this is also 27. Also can. Okay, in fact it's easier lah. Because you don't need to go and find these right angles at a point.
Sure, but you can do it without that one. 115 and 90.
115 and?
90, 360 minus.
But the 90 is outside.
Right.
Yeah, so that one cannot. Okay, so you go and find, this one should be 27. So this is angle OBA, which is also equals to angle OBAO. Okay, so this is your part C's answer. It's because of base angle of isos triangle. Okay, part C I wrote there. Okay, last one is ATB. ATB. This one. Remember, these two are tangent lines. Okay, we just found this to be 27. This to be 27. So remember how to find? Tangent from exterior point, what you can do is maybe you can go and find this one first. So angle AOB is 180 minus the 227. So 180 minus the 27, you get 126. So this angle here is 126. Because this is a quadrilateral, you know that this thing is 90, this thing is 90. Because tangent perpendicular to radius, right? So the 4 angles should add up to 360. So angle ATB is 360. Take away the 290 degree. Take away the 126 you just found. So it's 54. So this one you can call it tangent from exterior point. What? What happened? Okay, so all these quizzes, can you please put it in the green file? You update content page, put it in. If you have a score there, you put it in. If you don't have because you never hand in, then you just write that you are late.